Hey guys, it's Dan here with a new video, and today we're going to be talking about stuff like this. So with the holiday seasons fast approaching and we wanting to get stuff for our loved ones, I've been making some things for some friends and family, and I'm not going to show their photos for some reasons, but I decided to make this photo of myself to show you guys the details of how I did this and go into how I am going to sell them and all that stuff. So if we have a piece of wood here, I was so astounded with how good the laser did on the first person that commissioned one that I decided I was going to make some more and start selling them locally. So the first thing that we notice is that probably the laser's not going to be exactly perfect. And on a couple of these, I did test pieces on some broken pieces of wood. That's the same type of wood. So this one was way too light, and that's me holding Stormbreaker and Mjolnir. And then that one was too dark. And then that one was still too dark, so I realized some photos just don't work that well, and you want a photo with good lighting in it. So then, in this photo you see down here, I have all three of these tests, and I went from one, and then I keep on tweaking it. So after it's done being tweaked in Photoshop, and it looks really good on the small ones, I bump it up to the right size for this, put it in there, and you can see down here, it's going through the time-lapse of me making this, a couple different videos of that. So that's really nice and cool. The thing is, these are really awesome, and you can like put them on display, and like people are really gonna love it. So I'm not currently looking into selling these on Etsy. If you're not local to me, you probably can find someone that can do something similar. But if you are local to me, like in the St. Louis area, and you're looking for me to make you some of these on the same type of wood, same size, I'll be able to make these no problem. And you can find my contact info either on my YouTube page, shows my Instagram, and if you somehow find my Facebook, you can contact me on one of those two, and we can get to talking on that. So this is going to be all the stuff I'm talking about for this, and for all the other stuff related to my videos, we have these things called Patreon. So these people, like Henry Creations, that's at the top of the list, they do all this stuff where they throw money at me because they love supporting me and supporting my ideas and my videos. And if you like supporting videos and all that stuff, or you just want to see the benefits, check it out, video description below. If you look over here, you'll see some videos that I did, and I make stuff. I also do some other stuff. If you look over here, there's some links to other stuff if you're too lazy to look in the description. So we'll see you guys in the next video.